Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Pick a 9x7 cell or larger, then furnish it. Place desks in rows and a teacher desk up front. Add a blackboard and light so lessons register. Hire at least one teacher and confirm salaries fit your budget, then set room type to classroom in the deployment menu. Once done, make sure prisoners can reach the room via free movement or regime times, and that staff have clear paths to teach. Next, configure lessons and refine layout. Go to Programs and create a class schedule, then link it into your regime so prisoners attend during set hours. Arrange desks to prevent obstructions. Prisoners need clear line of sight to the blackboard for skill gains. Assign your teacher to the classroom and choose the correct room specialization, such as literacy or vocational, depending on goals. Make sure prisoner intake and security Finally, monitor results and scale. Use reports to watch skill progression and class utilization. Once utilization exceeds around 70%, add another classroom or teacher to reduce queues. Expand materials like books or vocational equipment to boost effectiveness and stagger regimes to avoid conflicts. If classes fail, troubleshoot by checking regime slots, cell ownership, prisoner schedule conflicts, security permissions, and staff pathing. Often a blocked door or wrong room type is the culprit, and fixing that restores attendance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.